All right, welcome to question number 5. We are halfway there. We just have 4 left. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4 questions left. So keep going, you guys. All right, so now we have a different question. We haven't received a question like this before. If the diameter is 8m, what is the radius of the circle? So it doesn't really matter if I can see this right here, because I can see right here the information they're giving me. So my formula is I'm trying to find out what the radius is. So I don't know the radius. Radius equals, now I have my diameter. What I want you to notice is the line on your diameter goes from one end to the other. If you go to one with the radius just goes from the center to the end. Look at those lines. What do you notice about those lines? Radius, diameter, radius, diameter, radius, diameter. The radius is half of the diameter when it comes to size. See, radius only goes from the center to the outside. Diameter goes all the way around. See, if I just had the center here and went down that way, then I would just have my radius. Or I have 2 radiuses stuck together to make my diameter. You see that? So my radius equals my diameter divided by 2. Okay, so that's my formula. I need half of my diameter to make my radius. So my equation is going to equal radius equals diameter, and it gives me what my diameter is, 8 divided by 2. So my answer is, what's 8 divided by 2? R is 8 divided by 2, or half of 8 is 4. And we're going to put our label on there because it's 4 meters. We put 4 meters. We're going to take this nice little yellow box, find our 4 meters, go over here. We're going to highlight this word and bring it up here. And before the war, he collected information on the railroads in Poland for the German government. That's what Schindler did, Oskar Schindler, before the war. So now we know we have it. So this is what I'm looking for in your white box here. You highlight the A and you drag the word up to complete the sentence. Again, the one thing with your diameter when looking for a radius, you just divide it by 2 because we only need from the center out, and that's half of your diameter.